Hey guys, I am gonna do the range test today that I promised of the new battery pack that we got in. It's a smaller battery pack, so it's not gonna have as much power as the regular Raptor 2 battery. That's to be expected. We just can't run as much current through it as the bigger pack.
So, Raptor 2 battery, beast mode, 430 watt hours, one of the biggest in the market. This is half the size.
Gonna go for a ride down towards the coastline. This is kind of gonna just be a real world sort of test. There's nothing scientific about this. It's just me going for a ride. I weigh about 65 kilos on my own, and with this jacket and my shoes and everything and a couple of extra batteries for the camera and holding the camera, probably come out to almost 70 kilograms, which I will put here in pounds so that you guys in America know what I'm talking about in terms of weight. I'll see you later. Bye. 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 All right, let's go. If you guys are wondering why I've got a headphone in, it's because it's got my GPS navigation. I can feel the brakes still quite strong, which is good. Yeah, we're about halfway there now. Alright, so it's been about 4.5 kilometers now, so we're almost there, and the battery is on about 65%. So what that tells me is that it's going to be very close. Actually, you know what? I think I'm just going to go all the way, and then if I don't make it back, then oh well. Okay, we made it. Now to check the battery. It's on 47%.
Run! Oh, sorry.
Alright, let's get on our way. We're back on the road. On our way back. When I left, the battery said it had like 51% left. So anyway, so here's hoping I actually make it back. I'm gonna stop here for a sec. Alright, we're at 36% battery, and I should make it back, hopefully. Let's keep going. Power seems pretty okay so far. No loss in current or anything. We're at 30% currently. Got about 2.5 kilometers to go. I'd say we are on the home stretch now. Maybe 1 kilometer to go. Come on! You can do it! We're still getting up to speed now. Let's go! Come on! It's slowing down. You can do it! You can do it! Yes! We made it! That's it. We're back. Alright, let's check the percentage. Okay, we have... What? It's saying 19% left. I'm just gonna keep riding up and down the street until the battery dies. Alright, let's run this baby dry. Screw this, it's taken too long. I'm gonna go for a ride down the road. Alright, that's 1 lap done. Lap 2. Lap 2, it just cut out. I can still brake. Oh yeah, no, I can't brake anymore either. It's died, and then you can turn it back on as long as you don't give it too much current. Alright, seems to be okay. Let's see if we can make it back. It's gonna be very light on the throttle now. Alright, just cut out again. I think I'm gonna call it there. Anything past this is kind of just unrealistic. You wouldn't want to be riding your board when it keeps cutting out. I was afraid this was gonna happen. Oi. The total distance was 15.27 kilometers, and in miles it was that much. Average speed was 17.7 kilometers an hour. Max speed was 41.1 kilometers an hour. So you can see we started here, and then we went all the way through Ashmore, all the way down to right next to Southport, and that's where the cardamom pod was. And then if we continue on, you can see there we are going all the way back, and then we came back, and then I decided I wanted to keep pushing the battery till the end, so we went back and forth a few times, and then we went up and back here again a couple of times, and then we stopped right there, and then I stopped it after that. So I think it's probably accurate to say about 15 kilometers. So yeah, I'm going to do a more controlled test soon so that we can see what the maximum range is for the battery, but I think that's, you know, a decent real world test. Hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, leave a thumbs up. Tell me what I could have done better next time, but I will be doing a more controlled range test on this soon. Thanks guys, see ya. Where'd it go? You're funny.
Yo! How'd you go?
Good. What do you think, how far do you think I went?
160 watt hours, 11 watt hours per kilometer, probably. And then you can't fully deplete the battery anyway, so let's say maybe 13 kilometers.
Total I got 15.27
kilometers.
Yeah.